Ready to level up your live streams and recordings with eye-catching video clips? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add video files to OBS Studio using Media Source, so you can feature intros, overlays, or looping backgrounds in your scenes. By the end, you'll know how to import, position, and control any video clip in OBS like a pro. So let's dive right in. First up, we'll add a media source. Look down at the Sources dock at the bottom of your OBS window. This is kind of like your ingredients list. It's where you pick and add all the elements that will appear in your scene. Click the little plus button, and you'll see a list of options pop up. Go ahead and select Media Source. OBS will open a new window and ask you to name this source. Giving it a clear name, like intro video or background loop, is helpful, especially if you're juggling lots of assets later on. Once you've typed your name, just hit OK. Now we need to actually select the video file you want to display. A new window called Properties for Source Name will appear. Look for the Browse button. Click it, and you'll be looking through your computer's folders, searching for your chosen video clip. Select the file and confirm. If you want your video to play in a continuous loop, maybe it's a stylish background animation or a repeating countdown, check the loop box before hitting OK. Don't worry if you skip this at first. You can always revisit these settings later. Once you're all set, click OK, and OBS will drop your video straight into the scene. Next, let's position and resize your video so it looks just the way you want. You'll see the video appear right there in the preview window, a bit like arranging a photo on a digital poster. Click and drag the corners of the video to resize it. If you want to crop out parts of the video, hold down the Alt key while dragging a corner. It's a neat trick for fitting things perfectly. Still not quite happy with the layout? Right-click the source's name in your sources list and select Transform. Here, options like Fit to Screen and Center to Screen make it super easy to snap your video into place without fiddling too much. With your video nice and snug in its spot, let's take a look at its audio and playback controls. Down in the Audio Mixer panel, you'll see the video source listed. Adjust its volume slider if your clip is too loud or too quiet, or click the mute button if you want the video playing silently. Perfect for background animations. Need to queue up the video at a specific moment? Select your media source, then click the play button icon below the preview window. You'll get controls to play, pause, stop, or even seek through the video. Handy for timing that dramatic intro. One last little tip that trips people up. The order of sources in your sources list matters. Imagine stacking sheets of paper. The ones on top can cover up those beneath them. Drag and drop your video source higher or lower in the list to control what's visible and what's hidden. Want your webcam in front of the video background? Pull the webcam source above the video. Think of it as arranging layers for your perfect scene. Alright, that's it. You've just mastered adding video to OBS Studio, and now you're ready to spice up your streams with clips, overlays, or custom backgrounds. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like. It really does help out. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if there's another OBS tip you want to see. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!